Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Telegram Desktop or the web client on your PC. Enter the phone number you use with Telegram and press Next. Once done, Telegram sends a code to your phone or shows an in-app prompt. Make sure notifications are visible so you don't miss it. You need that code to prove identity, so keep the phone unlocked and the app open. If you use a virtual number, use the one tied to your active Telegram account to avoid delays. Now enter the numeric code displayed on your phone into the PC prompt. This confirms you. If you prefer, choose Login with QR on the desktop client, then on your phone go to Settings Devices, scan QR, and point your camera at the screen. This is faster and avoids SMS. Once authenticated, Telegram begins synchronizing messages and media. Make sure your internet is stable because large chats or many media files can slow initial sync, so be patient until everything appears. Finish by confirming the new session on your phone under Settings Devices. You can name or terminate sessions there to manage access. You should enable two-step verification for extra security, which prevents account takeover even if someone has your code. If you did not receive the login code, first check your phone's notification history and message filters, then request resend or switch to QR login. If problems persist, restart both devices and ensure both have internet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.